This model kit review is of the MS410. This is a Swiss plane, and this is by HobbyCraft. It is a 1/48 scale model, and let's see if we can find any more details about this. Doesn't look like we can see anything else on the outside. Let's have a look at the inside of the box. This looks like a relatively simple model. Looking at the details here, you do have some surface detail, but all these are raised. This is going to be the inside of the wheel well, and it looks like we do have these wheel wells here with really no detail on the inside at all. Here are our wheels, landing gear, our stabilizer, spinner. The outside of this plane also has some detail, not a huge amount. There's the propeller, our wheel covers. This is our, looks like probably part of our cockpit, and the inside of the cockpit on the sides really has no detail at all. Here are our exhausts. So, really simple model. Here is our canopy glass. Otherwise the molding seems to be pretty good quality. There's no flashing or mold lines. Here are our decals. This is an older model. We have some details here. Looks reasonable. Let's have a look. So we build the cockpit here and put the wings together, and then the fuselage goes together. Canopy, wings, and stabilizer go on the plane. Then the landing gear, propeller, and spinner. And over here we have a painting and decal guide. This is for the finished version, and this is for the Swiss version. So all in all, it looks like a relatively simple model to build. Some detail, and there's a lot of opportunity to add here.